Hi, this is Suresh from Provoke Trainings. Today we are covering the new series called Statistics for Data Science. In this video, we have covered the data types and the measurement of the data. So please watch this video.
Types of data. Types of data in statistics, we refer the data for analysis. It can be classified into several ways, but most common things, most common types, common are by type and by level of measurement. By type and by level of measurement. By type, when you take the by type, there will be a qualitative and quantitative. By level of measurement, it can be nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. These are the two kinds of broader classification. These are the two kinds of broader classifications. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is something that it is related to the categorical data. Categorical data. It is related to the categorical data. It represents the categories, not numerical. It represents the categories, not representable. In this type, we have nominal data. It represents the categoricals or labels. It is again types. One is nominal data. The data that names without any order. It does not follow any order. Example, religion, gender, blood type. These are the categorical data, qualitative data. Then ordinal data. This ordinal data which has the meaningful order, order. Example is poor, good, excellent. This is the ordinal data. Now, when it comes to the second type is quantitative data, that is numerical data. Quantitative data, that is numerical data. The data consists of numbers. Data consists of numbers. In this, we have two types. One is discrete data. Another one is continuous data. Discrete data, it does not contains any decimal values. It contains, example is number of student in a class. It won't contains any decimal like fixed number x equal to 35. For 1 to 10 numbers, it can take only 10 values of discrete numbers. Discrete numbers. Whereas the continuous number, it contains the decimal values. Example is height of the student, average of marks. These all are falls under the continuous data. Now we will go to the level of measurement based on levels of measurement. Based on levels of measurement. Levels of measurement, we have a nominal data, we have ordinal data, we have interval data, we have ratio. Nominal data, it is categories of the no order. Ordinal data will have the order. Interval ratio, ordered with the equal difference. And the ratio is ordered but not zero. Whereas in a ratio, whereas in a ratio is ordered equal intervals, true zero also there, true zero exists. This is about nominal and ordinal. Now, when you want to summarize this, main type, subtype, example, qualitative, nominal, blood group and gender, ordinal data, customer satisfaction level, quantitative, discrete. This will be no decimals, number of cars, and the continuous will have a temperature, average marks. So this is the two things which is there in the types of data. Thank you so much.
Hope you have enjoyed my video. If you want to more content, please click the link below and enroll with us.